Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable and use Do Not Disturb mode in Oppo F19 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, go to Settings. Then select Sound and Vibration. Scroll down and find Do Not Disturb. Tap on it. To enable Do Not Disturb mode immediately, tap the slider beside it. When Do Not Disturb is enabled, your phone will not ring or vibrate except for alarms and timers, and you will see a moon icon on the status bar. You can also enable Do Not Disturb on a scheduled time. For this, go to Schedules and create a schedule when you want to enable Do Not Disturb mode. From now on, Do Not Disturb mode will be activated automatically on the scheduled time. There are some related settings you can change. You can change allowed notifications during Do Not Disturb mode. You can select any contact from whom you want to allow messages during Do Not Disturb mode. You can also select any contact from whom you want to allow calls during Do Not Disturb mode. You can allow ring for repeated calls and enable silence media during Do Not Disturb mode. So basically these are all the things you need to know about using Do Not Disturb mode in Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.